Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I am reviewing a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the S model, which gives you a lot of benefits and features that I'll show you here in just a second. Running at 13,474 miles and being a Chrysler certified pre-owned vehicle, a beautiful thing about this is you can buy nearly a new vehicle, and in some ways better than a new vehicle, such as the powertrain warranty, which I'll get into, for a lot less money than what the new vehicle costs. So you can have someone else take that depreciation as soon as you buy a new car off, and you get 13,000 miles. This van's pretty much brand new. So I'm gonna flip this around. We'll check out all the features. There's a bunch of equipment on this van here. Starts here. What my eye gravitates toward when I go in here is the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio that doubles as your backup camera. When you flip it in reverse, you hear that beeping there. This car was in front of me. It was letting me know that. But it puts up the backup camera right on you. There's a couple different modes you can view. There's actually a camera in front as well, both wide and narrow lens, and then there's an over top view so you can show look how good I parked. Well, not really, but really parking is very easy with all the camera views in this. AM FM, it comes with 3-month Sirius radio, being a certified pre-owned vehicle. Does have Bluetooth connectivity, USB, and an auxiliary port. There's climate control here, dual climate control up front, so both for the passenger and driver, and then there's a third climate control in the rear, all automatic if you wish. Heated seats in the front too, and the 2 chairs behind me are all heated, so 4 total heated seats, and the 2 front seats are also air conditioning, and then the leather wrapped steering wheel is also heated, which is nice. So turn this off so the fan quiets down, and you can control the seats and heated steering wheel right here. Also does have navigation from the factory, and you can of course pair the phone to the car for hands-free talking. Shifter knob in the center here. You have radio controls here if you're more of a knob person. It's just redundant controls from what's up there. Does have a parking assist and rear backup and front warning. If you're backing up and their kids maybe left a bicycle behind your car, it's going to let you know. Same with in front of your car. There's also collision avoidance on this at full speed, so if you're on the interstate and someone cuts you off before you can react, this car will react faster than you to slow you down. It also has lane assist right here, so this will keep you inside the lanes on the highway. Automatic shut off, you can turn that off, and also traction control. Heating and air conditioning controls down there, pretty basic. Again, just redundant controls from what you can do on the radio. It does have a slot down here, great spot for a cell phone. There's 2 of them, and ports to charge your phone and connect to the radio. Change dispenser pulls out, and it's also a deep compartment down there. And you have even more compartment down here for stuff, USB connectivity, and also a 12-volt power slot. Nice slot here. That'd be a great spot for a phone as well. 2 beverage holders here. The key does have controls for door locks and power liftgate on this, and power sliding doors, as well as remote start, all from the key. Really clean car. I can always tell how clean a car is, or how clean the people were by like little cubbies here, and this one doesn't look like it's been used much. Pull out feature in the back for deep compartment and 2 beverage holders. Glove compartment here does have factory books. All right. Does have a giant moonroof here. Let me push the button here. Yep, there we go. So giant moonroof. That's a 3-pane glass moonroof there, and it'll keep going. Automatically opens and closes, but 3 panes there. You can control the doors up here as well. And with that, let's check out the outside. Garage door, programmable remotes there. There's so many features on this car. It's fully loaded. Got 20-inch wheels on this van. They are a nice more of a darker charcoal colored wheel, so they're going to look good even after the brake dust gets on them. But 20-inch wheels, the rubber on the wheels looks great, only under 14,000 miles on it. Has the black inserts for the grille. I don't see any big rock chips or anything on the front of this van. LED headlights. Windshield looks good as well. Again, power rear sliding door. Just pull on the handle and open it goes. All leather wrapped seats in this. These two seats again are heated, and they are Stow and Go, which is a patented system by Chrysler. Those seats will fold flat into the ground. Power lift gate on the back too, so if your hands are full of groceries or stuff maybe you just purchased, it'll open up automatically and shut for you as well. I love this lift gate. It's tall enough you can stand underneath it, so on a rainy day you're not going to get wet. Again, these seats will sew down into this compartment here, and this whole entire floor up until the driver and passenger seat will be flat. I believe you can fit a 4x8 sheet of lumber in here is how big it is, so a lot of cargo space here. Power stow on the rear seats here, so there's nothing manually need to do. It'll do it power right there. And to set the lift gate, hit that button and down it'll go. Does have the sensors in the bumper. The little dimples you see, those are for the park sensors to let you know that that bicycle's behind you. Paintwork looks really good on the back. Passenger side paintwork looks good as well. Again, pretty much a new vehicle. Does have the 7-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which is stronger than what the warranty was when the person who owned this before bought it brand new. It is a one owner, clean history report, no accident damage. Well, this was a little bit longer. There's a lot on this van, and I challenge you to watch the video, and if you are interested, come in and test drive it. A lot of safety features too, airbags and such that I didn't quite get into, but very safe vehicle in these Chrysler Pacificas. Awesome family vehicle with the sliding doors. You don't have to worry about the kids opening up the door into the car next to you and putting a ding in it, right? Just a good traveler. I believe it's rated at 28 miles a gallon highway. It's powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine, which is a world-renowned engine that Chrysler puts in almost every model that they have, from their SUVs, the cars, the pickup trucks. So with that, my name's Mike. I'll post a couple links below of current pricing and availability of this particular van, as well as others like it. A finance application, if you are in need of financing, we can get you approved at a low payment. Interest rates are really low right now. And also, if you're looking to upgrade, we'd love to have your trade. We can save you the hassle from trying to sell it yourself, and probably give you about what you're wanting to sell it yourself for anyway. So thanks for watching, everyone. My name's Mike, and I'm signing out.